1970 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique, especially in classics. This one has a little bit of a drag car feel to it underneath the hood. Dart small block 427. That's paired up with a racing Power Glide automatic transmission, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Take a peek at the chrome and bright work up front here. Consider this a deep blue metallic, navy blue metallic. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description, and you're going to get taken right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There you get an idea what the 5-spoke wheels look like up close. Disc brakes behind it. Let's take a peek down this passenger side. Now, more about that motor. Like I said, it is a Dart small block 427. Has been built, AFR heads, aluminum heads, roller rockers and cams. Does have headers. Holley 4-barrel on there. I believe it was a 950 double pumper. And as you can see, up and down the passenger side, as far as the paint condition, there's some imperfections. You may have a little nick, a little chip. There was a little checking on the trunk. Overall, it's got a nice look to it. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Recaro bucket seats up front. Newer B&M shifter. And I'm going to get into some other newer components on this car also. Vinyl top. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, battery disconnect back here. We're going to turn that on because we will be starting this car up here shortly, letting you hear it run, checking out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. You can see a little bit of checking here as far as in the paint. And there's a few spots. It's just some imperfections. Like I said, get in it, drive it, have some fun. If you like Chevy Novas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or off our showroom floor. Now, for some of the newer equipment on this car, it does have a new electric fuel pump, new power steering pump, new water pump, alternator, 3-core radiator. There's also new air shocks, exhaust and mufflers. There you get an idea up and down the driver's side, and again, a few rock chips underneath there. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Black door panels. Seat belt still intact. Of course, you would have dual here because of the shoulder belts also. You can see the bolster. Cloth seats, again, Recaro racing seats. All right, let's fire up this bad boy. It sounds pretty healthy. And as you can see, also aftermarket dash. There's that electric fuel pump. See, the tack is working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp to be up, if you can see that. Like fuel gauge, about 3/4, oil pressure. This one will turn some heads when you come rolling in, no doubt about that. Like I said, it sounds healthy. Let me go ahead and get the pins out of the hood here, and we'll get that hood open, check it out. Remember, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And there it is. Again, dark, small block, 427. Roller rockers, roller cam. You can hear it, no doubt about that. MSD ignition. Again, headers, tubular control arms. Aluminum 3-core radiator. Good looking engine bay. It also has an 8.8 Mustang rear end in it. '70 Chevrolet Nova. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. This car pretty much ready to hit the track from the sound of it. We don't need a radio, we don't need a blower motor. It just sounds good and goes fast. Turn signals work. And we're up to 55 in no time. Can't go a whole lot faster than that without having our own personal track, which would be great. We're a little over a half tank on the nice aftermarket gauges. Temperature about 160. The tachometer is working. The oil pressure is showing 75 psi. Volts are over 14. That's all great. Hood pins on this car complete the look, and they're functional. Ratcheting style shifter, automatic. Drive, you can go to low, click it down to park safely. Recaro seats, very nice, form-fitting Recaro bucket seats in this car. There is a crack in the windshield over here on the left. Brakes are working as they should. Such a great idle sound on this car. A little squeak as I turn. Very fun to push the throttle. I feel the front end come up. That's the best thing about driving this car. Hit the throttle. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all you want to know about this 1970 Chevy Nova at uniqueclassiccars.com.